video today, I'm just going to be serving you a couple of little treats that you can have with breakfast in the morning. So come on with me, guys. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, you can pretty much serve anything. And the same applies to this special edition of Quick and Easy Meals. We are to serve, or at least this edition was to serve your favorite dishes during Christmas, or your favorite Christmas dishes, okay? Now, one of those dishes can be either breakfast or it can be a treat in the middle of the day. We are running during the Christmas season. I don't have a specific dish that I cook during Christmas because now it's just my son and I. So we basically eat whatever we want. But I will tell you this, one special thing that we do love to have would be either a cup of nice hot chocolate when we're taking a break and something sweet. So that's what I'm going to bring you today. Let's get started. So Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, and Jean Home Decor and more. So let's get back to the video. All right, so one of those things that we love to have are the cinnamon rolls. Now, these are so delicious, guys. Sometimes we even have these for dessert. And a cup of coffee or a cup of hot chocolate, whatever your hot beverage is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open and then we'll begin. I'm going to come back, guys, because sometimes these things give me a hard time to open. So let's get that ready and I'll be right with you. All right, so what I did was just grab one of my baking pans, and we have some of this cooking spray in the butter flavor, and then I got this open. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing them in here. Let me go ahead and spray the pan first. So my son is gonna love these, and this is how they look. Absolutely delicious, guys. So let's see how I should be placing these. I think it's this side. So you just take them apart and place them in here. Now, okay, so here is the icing. So the icing comes inside of the container. Let's see if I can separate these because I'm pretty sure they'll poof up a little bit. I haven't made these in a while. I hope I got this right. Okay, now that's out of here. Now, okay, so the top came off of the frosting, and I'm pretty sure that goes on last. So let me go ahead and pop this in the oven. So we preheat the oven at 350 degrees and pop it in there. I'll keep an eye on it because I just tore all of the minutes, the instructions for the minutes that go in the oven. Probably about 15 minutes, I'll check it, and then we'll see where we're at. This is the frosting that goes on top. I'm sorry, that's my dog coughing. Then we'll go ahead and we'll put the frosting on here, and that's gonna come out amazing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what other next we're gonna display. So let me grab one of the boards because I think that we should display this stuff on a board, what I have to display next. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, these are one of my charcuterie boards, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the frosting over there, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm going to cut on this board. Here's another thing we serve a lot during the holiday season. And I'm not sure because I didn't like this growing up, but I can tell you I really enjoy this now. It's fruitcake. And I can tell you this, there's no specific brand. It says chill cake for easier slicing. I get this at Walmart, guys, during the holiday season. And it's delicious. It is so good. So let me go ahead and cut that. Okay, so the oven is ready. We already have it in there. All right, let's see what we have here. Great way to display. I'm gonna get something else to cut this with, meaning I'm gonna display it on that board, but I don't wanna cut it on there. All right. And this is what it looks like. It is so, so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing. Let me show you what this looks like right here. Beautiful. So there's a whole bunch of fruits in here. Cherries, raisins, nuts. It's just, I didn't think I was going to like it, and then, because growing up I didn't like it, but I like it now. It's just so delicious with a nice hot cup of tea or coffee. And you should keep it chilled like it says, so it doesn't fall apart on you. So I hope you guys are all caught up for Christmas and your shopping and everything else you have to do. We're going to be having the Christmas shopping collaboration on Wednesday this week. I am very excited about that. That's over at my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Your last minute shopping, no limits. So this is what that looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and just line it up. You choose how you wanna line it up. I'm gonna go at an angle here. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? So I'm gonna take this away. Maybe move this up a little bit so we can make room for the next item I'm gonna get ready to show you. And I'm showing you these items now while the cinnamon buns are cooking in the oven. All right. Now guys, I did not have time. I could have cooked this and baked this myself, but I have been so busy and I didn't want not to show you. This is not something I've made though. I have not tried to make the red velvet cake slices with the frosting. This looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can display right here on this board. And this is gonna be our sweets board. Okay, so doesn't that look delicious, guys? I am loving this. So I'm just gonna line them up just like that in slices. Okay, and I don't need to put all of them out. Okay. And that's good enough. That is absolutely delicious looking. All right. So while the buns are cooking in the oven, this is what our sweets board, at least this board, is looking like. I'm gonna put the cinnamon buns on a different board. So I am going to be right back with you. I think that looks absolutely amazing for the holiday season. A nice hot cup of tea. I cannot wait to display this for you. But first we're gonna wait till those cinnamon buns are done, put the frosting on it, and then go ahead and serve it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the buns out of the oven and I did go ahead and put some of the frosting on top of it, but I first wanted to go ahead and put these cookies that I purchased at Walmart, these iced oatmeal cookies, since I am making a board. We're making 2 boards now, so I just wanted to go ahead how I line these up, show you how I line these up. And this is great for when you have your family over and they just come in to the kitchen wanting something quickly and something sweet. So I just take these cookies and I line them up. I absolutely love oatmeal iced cookies, and I also like oatmeal raisin. So I just figured I'd go ahead. And so what we're doing here is making a charcuterie board. Is that not awesome? When they get up and when they want something, or when they want something sweet to eat, this is amazing. It's so yummy. So I think we're doing good here. Yeah, I think we're doing good. So I am done with the cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the, oh, is this too hot? Okay, so this is how they came out, guys. All right, so I'm going to line them up on this side. Okay. I'm going to line them up right here. And so they have a variety in case your family wants to have coffee, cookies. I mean, over here, I can't wait to have some of that velvet cake. But it's just wonderful, guys. So let me go ahead and take these buns out. Okay, and we'll just line them up right here. And this is great. I didn't have time to make a meal, so I thought of dessert. And who doesn't like cinnamon buns? Everybody I know likes cinnamon buns. Okay. Right here and right here. And we are pretty much done. All we need is some coffee. This is so good. All right, so then I went ahead and I put my cans here of the hot chocolate flavors. So this one's the peppermint, the marshmallow, the milk chocolate, and the salted caramel. So we have the iced oatmeal, we have the cinnamon buns, then we have the fruit cake, and we have the red velvet cake. So I hope this gives you some inspiration on what to serve your family, especially if you have your whole house filled with people and you just want to sit down yourself with a cup of coffee. You lay this out, you make sure that you have your hot beverages readily available for them, and then they can just go ahead and have whatever it is that they want to have. So again, I hope this gave you some inspiration. I wish everyone a Merry, 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 Merry Christmas, okay? And from my house to yours, I just love you guys, and I just wish you the best. Blessings to all. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.